Hello guys, welcome to another video of my series Laziest and Easiest Ways to Earn Money. So if you haven't checked my other videos, just go to my playlist, go to my channel and go to the playlist Easiest and Laziest Ways to Earn Money and check out all my other videos, and you can choose what's best for you. There's plenty of other ways that you can earn money online. So today this is gonna be a kind of a Fiverr tutorial. This is just another way that you can earn money on Fiverr without a skill easily. Okay, you don't have to have any knowledge about graphic designing or anything. So basically what you have to do first is go to Fiverr and type background remove or remove background. Either way is fine. So you have to check out the gigs, try to get an idea about the gig, try to go through the titles, the description, the pricing, and the other specifications of the gigs. Try to get an idea of the gig first. So basically what these gigs basically offer is removing backgrounds of images. So here you can see there's a lady here, and the background has all been removed. So here are the past work of the designer. So he has removed all the background from the image. So all you have to do is remove the background. But how are you gonna remove the background without having a knowledge on graphic design or Photoshop? You don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is go to remove.pg. I'm gonna put the description link of this website in my description anyway. So yeah, it's called remove pg. Okay, so you can I'll do an example. So let's say if you want to erase the background of this one, all you have to do is select the image and from your gallery and see, that's it. Its background has been already removed. All you have to do is download it and deliver the order. You can just download it and add to your gallery, and then you can deliver the order. So here the most important thing is you need to rank the gig. You need to correctly put the titles and descriptions and add text there. So I have also included a link in my description on how to rank a gig, how to rank a Fiverr gig. That video is from another YouTuber, but it's very useful. You definitely need to go through it, and that's the critical part of this video. You definitely need to go through that video and understand how to put your gig, how to write the description, the title, and add text and all. So once you have finalized the gig, this is the way. I've already showed the way how to perform the service. Okay, how to give the service. All you have to do is get the order, get the picture, and go to this remove.bg website and upload the order. Then automatically the background will be removed. But if you get any complex designs, you can of course contact another seller on Fiverr who's a professional. You can go through the reviews and all and check whether he's a professional or not. If not, you can submit the design first and ask him whether he can remove the background. So if you get a complex design, most of the design you can do it here. If not, you can find a cheaper seller and outsource your work. But most of the time, 90% of the images you can remove the background from this. This is what I use mostly. 90% of the design you can remove the background using remove.pg. So guys, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them on my video. Okay guys, have a great day.